Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar, or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get the highest amount on your investment?
Hi, this is Andrea Larson with eXp Realty.
Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test right now. Here we go. When you walk up to the house, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings about telling you what to do. Have you done the 3 Ds, decluttered, depersonalized, and deep cleaned? And I mean real deep cleaning folks. Baseboards, scuff marks, cleaned up the outside yard, changed out old light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green, or yellow and crispy and weeds growing? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, red brick walls with mismatched paint does not qualify at all for selling top dollar, at least not in this market, or any market really. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean, or are they 10 years old and they have been cleaned maybe 15 times, and once it rains, people walk all over them a few times? Well, the truth comes out. This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? What about your lot? Does your lot compare to the one that's a half an acre lot that's up the street? You see, all this matters. This is a big one also. The smell test. Oh my God. I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds weird or gross, but it's true. We love pets. In fact, my doggie goes with me everywhere, and some people have chickens. Well, let's say they're more than just egg layers, and they're considered family. Chickens poop like nobody's business. But if I were to list my home, I would have to Lysol like crazy. You see, my doggie has peed on my throw rugs, and my cats sometimes have a hairball too. So when I sell, I have to make changes, and I'd even have to pass the smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with yummy spices that you are used to, but if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks I have the best home on the block. I mean, listen, I know my mom and I spent 5 weeks putting in the old white tiles with brown grout in its memorable days, but is this measuring up to your competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and would possibly be better in grandmom's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. When you look at the windows, are you looking at your neighbor showering, or is there a pasture, hills, mountain, or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor drying off or hearing them yell over who gets to pick what to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view, pool view, or mountain view. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10. If you're ready to put your house on the market right now and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes like I would. P.S. Most of us need to make changes. Oh my God, if I were to sell my house, I'd have a honey-do list for days. Call me and I will advise you. Make it a great home selling and buying day. And I love where I live, and I want you to love where you live in this beautiful sunny state of Arizona.